There was a case that I was consulted, and I went in and appeared in Boston, one in Arizona, a family matter, but this was a commercial case in Boston. The person was injured in Saudi Arabia when she went to perform her inspection services. She hit a swimming pool, she jumped and got injured and all that, and was seriously injured, came back to the United States and sued the owner of the hotel chain in United States. They objected that the site of the accident was Saudi Arabia, the location was there, the owners are there, the laws apply there, and the agreement said that the laws will be of the site of the event. The lower court then sought advice from various experts. Some said yes, it should go to Saudi Arabia. My opinion, my humble suggestion was that let's look at how she will be treated if she went to get this case prosecuted in Saudi Arabia. First, she has to bring male witnesses. Female witnesses will not be heard. Then, certain procedures are not favored in the favor of women. Certain evidence law is not favored, meaning that one woman says, I saw this person murder this guy, he did it in front of me. Okay. On the other side, two people say, one man says, I did not see it. The court will believe the man. Women, on the other hand, has to bring another witness, meaning two women witnesses are equal to one man witness. And when the judge understood that difference, he said, wait a minute, I'm not going to send this case to Saudi Arabia to be decided. It will be decided right here. Meaning that it is the unawareness, and that's our, as Muslims, it's our issue. That we have not spoken loudly, we have not written about this, we have not spoken to enough people so that people are aware that there are safeguards in our own constitution. Either we don't know our constitution or we don't know what Sharia is. So this is all under the umbrella of Sharia happening. Same thing in Arizona. This Egyptian couple that was married for 20 years, the man was a real estate investor and millionaire, divorces his wife of 20 years and gives her $20 because that's what the marriage agreement said as a dower. And she, wait a minute, her lawyers say, not at all. $20 is. He said, no. Read the marriage agreement. Marriage agreement had the consideration clause. In consideration clause, $20 was given as a gift at the time of signing of that. Therefore, they were presenting that contract of $20 as a prenup agreement to the court. And court was accepting it. Court was saying, oh, this is what you decided, this is what you signed, this is what you agreed and all that. Up until we got there and we tried to explain that this is a consideration for the execution of the contract, not a prenup agreement. And so the judge called a recess for 30 minutes and said, you guys talk, you decide, otherwise I'm going to decide. And they got the feeling that this is not going to go in our favor. She got $7 million as a settlement, from $20 to $7 million. We have corrupted these practices. We are not doing favor to, Muslims are not doing favor to themselves by not clarifying these abhorrent practices that have existed not under the name of Sharia, under the name of laws that were left by the colonists. For example, Ziaul Haq takes over in Pakistan. I want to put the Sharia in practice, implement it. All court system will have the Sharia law. So the very first thing is they changed the family law. It used to be the Pakistan Family Law Act of 1826. Islamic Sharia law of Pakistan of 1978. That's all changed. The rest underneath, even today, is exactly the same. So are you going to call that Sharia law? To a person who wishes to exploit that, you will say, well, yeah, they're coming. But that is not Sharia law. If you go with the same concepts to Saudi Arabia, it's totally different. If you go to Kuwait, it's totally different. If you go to Egypt, it's totally different. To Muslim majority countries of Malaysia and Indonesia, totally different. Left by the colonist. I can stand in front of any judge and I can show to the judge, Your Honor, this is not Sharia. Sharia doesn't say that at all. Sharia means the laws enacted by the local government. That is Sharia. American legal system, American family law is as Sharia, better Sharia than any other Muslim countries. I can, section by section, I can prove that. You just change the title of the entire code by calling it Sharia law of family or family Sharia law. It doesn't make it Sharia. So it's out of ignorance on both sides. When presented, when shown, then there's no concern, there's no fear. People accept the political hoopla.
I haven't heard it quite explained like that. Have you all? I mean, that is fascinating, and I read a whole lot too. So that's a great explanation.